In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document for free using PDFGear. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got this particular PDF with me here, and let's assume I want it to be in Word file document, and all I need to do is just use PDFGear. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. Now, it's super simple, and I've already gone ahead and downloaded and installed PDFGear. So I'm just going to pull it up, and it's right here. As you can see it, this is the interface that you get once you open it, and it may change in future, but this is what you need to do. I'm going to click on PDF to Word, and once I do that, it's going to prompt me to actually add a file and all that. So I'll click on Add File and select the file I want to convert to a Word document, and it's available. It's going to show me how many pages, and it's loaded. Now it's right here, Word document. I'll click on Convert. It's converting. Conversion done. If I just double click on it right there, you can see the Word document is right there. Now, a couple of things you may need to take a note of is the font kind of may not look alike to what we have in the PDF. That's something you need to take a note of. It looks a little bit darker and all that, so it's good that you know that right off the bat. But now you can make any edits you want to the PDF to your liking, and yeah, that is how you can easily convert a PDF document to Word using PDFGear. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.